Hello everyone, this is Smriti. Many people also know me as Sami. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how I transformed my old ugly bedside tables into something new and totally different. This is also my first attempt at revamping a piece of furniture. So guys, this is my old bedside table. You can see it is pretty ugly. The hardware is broken. There is no design or form to it. It looks more like a bulky box than a bedside table. So this is the sketch that I have prepared. The one on the left is the old one and the one on the right is how I want it to look like after I make all the changes. I'm going to remove the top, add a new one, extending the length by 2 inches on each side. I'm going to add beading or round putty to the front of the drawers and the door below. And I'm also going to remove the bottom part from the old table and I will be adding new legs. I went to the plywood shop and got the plywood cut to size from the shop itself. The next step then was to empty out my bedside tables, clean them and remove all the hardware from the drawers, from the front of the doors, and also remove the screws of the top and detach the top. Then came the most important and the most difficult part, sanding. I tried my paint on sanded and unsanded areas of my laminate. The paint on the sanded area seemed a better option in terms of looks and sustainability. I then spent half an hour to sand down the laminate to that level, and that too of such a small area. I sanded 2 sides of a table, but then I had to stop when my arms and shoulders gave up. I got hold of a polish wala working in my building, and he with his sanding machine did the same job in less than half an hour for both the tables. It was then time to measure and cut the length and breadth of the round putty that will go on the drawer fronts and the doors. I joined the top with nails and glue and also with the same screws that were holding the older top. So my daughter here is trying to help me out. So this is a very fine wood filler in the form of powder. I got it from a carpenter from his workshop a couple of years back. So I applied a little bit of Fevicol and water to it to fill the gaps and to smoothen out the edges and to fill out the holes. It was now time to prepare the tables for painting, which requires cleaning out all the dust before we apply a layer of primer. I used an oil-based primer from Asian Paints and I used a cotton roller to apply it. I let the primer dry for about 6 hours before I lightly sanded the tables again and applied another coat of primer and one final round of light sanding. For painting, I used chalk paint from Itsy Bitsy. I was worried about the brush leaving ugly strokes, so I asked my daughter to smoothen out the color application with the sponge roller while the color was still wet. This is how it looked after the first coat of paint. No visible brush strokes. We applied 3 coats of paint before applying 2 coats of water-based PU from Asian Paints again. Time to drill some holes for the new hardware. And here comes the final look with new hardware, new top and new legs. Since this was my first attempt at revamping something that required not only change in color but also change in design and character, but I'm satisfied and happy since this is just the beginning. I hope you liked watching the process. Do leave your feedback in the comments below. Have a nice day.